Hello guys, my name is Michaela and welcome to my channel. Today I decided to film my bullet journal setup for June. So you can join me, grab some supplies and your bullet journal, or just enjoy this video. We are starting with one page. I mean, it's nothing new, but I really enjoyed it as divider or when I'm feeling creative. It's a great place to unleash it and do some really nice drawing. But this time I wanted to keep it more simple, so I was more focused on the font of the wording, and there is just a little picture at the bottom. For my month pages, I usually like to include this mini calendar just to keep track how many weeks are in that month, and sometimes when I have really important event or something, I mark it in here to really emphasize it. So as a theme for this month, I've chosen strawberries because it is the first thing I think about when somebody mentions summer or the month June. I really hope that this year's weather is not that bad for strawberries, because where I live it's a lot of rain here right now, which is not usual for this time of the year, and also not so much sunlight. It's usually really cloudy, so I'm a bit worried for strawberries on my grandma's garden. But yeah, let's hope. And I was testing, as you can see on the screen, I was testing different colors to make it nice and pretty. And I mean, normally I don't use color pencils all the time. I also have days when I use only like the, how it's called, pastel brushes. But yeah, I think that for my first bullet journal video, it's nice that I have this color rainbow in the top. So I hope you like it as much as I do. page we are doing monthly overview, where is basically calendar again, but in a bigger scale. So you can use it to write little things like doctor's appointment, exams and presentations in school, or I use it, for example, to mark days when I visit my parents. For 2 years or such, and I needed a new one, so I ordered the, how it's called, Belgian Leuchtturm second edition, and yeah, it should be delivered here tomorrow when I'm filming it, so I'm excited, and I'm thinking that I will do some unboxing because I've ordered also some supplies like Sakura micro pens, and yeah, it's gonna be great. I'm ready. Okay, and we are on habit tracker page, and there I decided to do these not so little, quite big strawberries, because I like to. First, I thought that I will do the days of the month, just like little seeds on the strawberry, but it doesn't suit my needs as much because I like to look and know which day I didn't complete it and which day I succeeded. So this one with dates in here, it helps me to keep track of it. And also I'm trying to add new habits. I had no chips and exercise for a long time. 3 months ago I've added communication, and for this month's setup I decided to add reading more books, or like the book time in the day, because I really miss it, and I think that now when my semester is ending again I will have a little bit more time for it, so I can easily add it to my everyday today life. And to make this page a little bit prettier, I decided not to fill out like the whole strawberry, but just the greeny parts, and to add some shading with red color. As another page, I like to do brain dump page because sometimes when days are going in a month, I have something that I need to quickly note, or just something that it's not right for my weekly setup, so I just write it in here. I mean, it's not the prettiest page because it doesn't have any layout, but it's quite useful and I like to include it in my setup. And here is the famous weekly spread where I like to have like part for my daily tasks. You can see that I'm doing place for it on the top, and also I like to include my plans for meals which I will have, because when I'm ordering groceries I often write down my food schedule. Like, I mean, I will not at the end the foods may not be the same as I planned it, but it helps me to order, like to make a list of foods that I will order. So this is, I think, nice addition, and maybe you can try it and you will like it. Yeah, and also for every week spread I do again this mini calendar, but in weekly spread I mark for which week is are these pages. I do this weekly spread for each week, and I think this is everything I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found some inspiration and motivation, and thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!